withdrawn our support to the Biren Singh-led government. So it is very specific to him, to the individual. If we see that there's a change in the leadership, and if we see that there's a positive step forward, and if we see that there is a plan to move forward to find resolution, and we can constructively cooperate and contribute to ensuring that the peace and the normalcy will return, then we are happy to be working. But we'll see the situation. It's difficult to say right now. So specifically saying it's right now it's the Biren Singh-led government, which we strongly feel, our party leaders, our MLAs from Manipur, our state committee from Manipur strongly feels that we as a party have lost confidence in that, and that is the reason we have decided not to support the Biren Singh-led government. We were very hopeful that we would be able to see situation improve in Manipur. From government side, central government, the state government, different efforts were made, and our objective was to see that normalcy would return. It was not about politics as such, and hence we were hoping and we were supporting in the hope that we would be able to see the situation improve and normalcy would return in the state of Manipur. But in the last 1 week, we have seen the situation further deteriorate. I also would like to share that I have been discussing with a number of leaders from the center and the BJP also, and sharing with them that it is important to create a confidence building measure and trust in the system and the overall scenario out there. Because of the trust deficit, the overall activities and the actions being taken are not reaching to a logical conclusion. And hence we have been stressing that some kind of a trust building measure must be taken from the government side, center as well as state, to be able to then create that environment for the actions to actually have a positive result. That was not in a way done, but still we were hopeful, as I said, that things would improve. But as I mentioned, in the last 1 week we have seen the situation further deteriorate, and hence we felt strongly that seeing the suffering of the people, and especially, as I said, last 1 week, and overall looking at the situation not improving any further, we have lost complete confidence in the current leadership there of Shri Biren Singh Ji, that we will not be able to move forward, and it will be difficult for the National People's Party to support the Biren Singh government.